The wait is over because the XKmax Jeep fog lights are here. That's right. If you're watching this video, the XKmax fog lights are available right now. XKmax is our 5th generation app-controlled lighting system, and you guys have made it clear that you cannot get enough of it. So we've been pushing non-stop to bring more lighting options into the XKmax lineup. Which brings us to the XKmax Jeep fog light. These are 4.5-inch fog lights featuring an RGB addressable LED halo ring paired with an SAE approved beam pattern, making them a true OEM fog light replacement, not just a cosmetic add-on. The halo ring is fully controlled through the XKmax app, giving you complete control over the color selection, chasing effects, and even the ability to configure them as additional turn signals. And of course, these fog lights sync seamlessly with your XKmax headlights or any other XKmax products you already have on your Jeep, so everything works together as one complete system. Meanwhile, the beam itself delivers a pure white fog-style output, perfect for low visibility conditions, whether you're on the road or out on the trail. This kit includes brackets for a Jeep JK, JL, and Gladiator, making it a direct bolt-on replacement for factory Jeep bumpers and most aftermarket options. I'm gonna walk you through how I installed these on the Gladiator behind me, but first, let's check out what comes in the box. So in this kit, you're going to get a pair of fog lights. They will come in the JK brackets, but the kit also includes the JL and Gladiator brackets. You'll get a 2-channel XKmax controller, a switch, an XKmax key fob. You will have 2 XKmax extension wires, and the wiring for the fog light, both the JK and the JL and Gladiator, and of course, the instructions and the XKGLOW sticker. This install is as simple as removing the OEM fog light and replacing it with the XKmax fog light. You will plug it in, then run the XKmax wires to the XKmax controller that you will connect to the battery. Turn the switch on and you are ready to pair to the XKmax controller. Head on over to XKGLOW.com to check out the brand new XKmax Jeep fog lights, and don't forget to follow us across all of our social media pages, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this, and if you have any products that you would love to see in the XKmax lineup, comment them down below.